FCT. And the commandant, when you came on board, you invited me and asked me one of the questions. One is, why is it that the mass transit train is not working? And then you went to the Nigerian Bar Association to license, and you said you want to ride on that train. Secondly, you said, what is happening to the Abuja greater water supply? And you said, look, it's not only infrastructure. You want the train to work, and you want water to be supplied to the city. This contract was awarded in 2017 at the cost of $470 million US. 2017, under the Partnership of African Development Initiative. The Chinese government provided 85%, while the federal government and FCT provided 15%. And that's to take care of groups 1, 2, 5, and 6. I want to sincerely thank you that under this administration, this job has been completed, and today you are commissioning the water. You not only stop there. Last year, when you visited China, luckily for us, I was part of the delegation that went to with you. Their FCT also signed an agreement with CDC to provide water in rural areas. I want to say today that we almost completed the procurement process to give water to Buhari, give water to Kubwa, give water to Karu and some of the communities. So we are not only providing water to the city, we are also providing water to the satellite town. We sincerely thank you, and I assure you that this project will be completed on time. It will not take like this one that took 8 years. Their own, we believe, next year, we believe in a 3rd anniversary, we'll also commission those satellite towns where you are providing water and water to soon. I also have to thank the National Assembly for the support that they're giving to us. It's been very, very impressive, very, very encouraging, and that's why we do everything we can to make sure that every day, people will be seeing what you are doing in FCT. Every day we'll make sure that people will see. Those who want to see, those who don't want to see, it's not their fault because they decided not to see. On this one, Mr. President, I would therefore invite you to come to Abuja people and then commission this loop 1, 2, 5, and 6. Thank you very much.
Of Chinese diplomacy and business in Nigeria, I heard you clearly, and thank you for your conscientiousness in what we are doing. Gentlemen of the press, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please permit me to credit Eugenia Abu with the fact that we have a mini silence for the people, the victim of Benue. Why I sympathize with the Benue people, I've spoken to the governor. The leadership and people of Benue to accept our condolences and tried hard, very, very consciously, to maintain peace, harmony among themselves. I've always said this, that we are one single huge family living in the same house, stay in different rooms, but living together in harmony will be the result of our diversity for prosperity. We should be able to manage our anger and frustrations. I sympathize those who have lost their life. I will adjust my program and go see Benue people on Wednesday. But today is a great day of pride and profound gratitude for the residents of the Federal Capital Territory and indeed for all Nigerians. I'm very happy and proud to be part of this auspicious day. We gather to commission a transformative project, the Greater Abuja Water Supply Network, the Loop 1, 2, 5, and 6, a monumental effort that will ensure safe, sustainable, and sufficient water and the institutions to the homes, institutions, and communities across the capital city. Water is life. It is not a luxury. It is a basic human right and a foundation for public health, urban development, and economic growth. Thank you, the team of Wike, for exhibiting a very great virtue of leadership. This virtue is when a leader is very conscious of the need of its people and it goes about committed with dedication to do it. That's what you have been exhibiting in FCT. I thank you very much and your team. I sincerely commend all of you. This water infrastructure is not only a technical milestone, but a moral one, because it is about equity. It is about ensuring that no part of Abuja is left behind in our national development agenda. It's a renewed hope. When we speak of renewed hope agenda, this is what we mean. Tangible, people-focused projects that improve the daily lives of ordinary Nigerians. Water to drink, to clean, to grow, to build. That is the real project. It's treasure, it's a treasure that we always take for granted. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not here today merely to lay the pipes. We are laying the groundwork for healthier families, stronger communities, and a more productive city. As your president, I remain committed to accelerating the growth, prosperity, delivery of reliable infrastructure, development of human capacity. I had to train so many technicians to maintain this achievement. We're doing the same thing on power, roads, and housing. This are not just a mere developmental goal. It is the building blocks of our dignity and prosperity. To our international partners and stakeholders, especially our friends from People's Republic of China, I say, sir. Together, we are showing the world that partnership built on mutual respect and shared prosperity can deliver real impact. As we commissioned the Wike project, all the residents and stakeholders to protect this investment. Use the water wisely and work with government to ensure its sustainability. It is my honor now, therefore, now to commission the Greater Abuja Water Supply Network to the glory of God and service to humanity. May God continue to bless all our workers. May God bless this project, bless the city of Abuja, and bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.